Interview question talk. Today we are talking about the question, why does concurrent HashMap not allow null keys or null values while HashMap does? Answer first. Concurrent HashMap not allow null keys or null values because it needs to ensure thread safety and clarity in concurrent operations. And the HashMap is designed for a single thread environment, so it not need to consider about the trouble from multi-threaded environment. So another interesting question is, if null was allowed in concurrent HashMap, what will happen? Actually, the null value will introduce ambiguity, because null can be identified as it's actually null or it's absent. Well, in multi-threaded environments, when multiple threads try to interact with the same null key, it will cause a lot of problems. There might identify the null key as absent and try to write the new date insert into the map, and the second method will always overwrite the value of first method, will cause the data corruption, and different method would treat the null as different logic. It might be a variable value, and it might treat it as absent key, so it will cause the result unpredictable. And also, these threads might take a different operation, which is conflict. One is going to replace the other, might just put in, and the third thread might going to remove, so it causes the inconsistent update and risk condition, because the concurrent HashMap adopt compare and swipe mechanism like optimistic locking, and it also make the atomic operation code more complicated than it already is. You need to identify the null as valid value or its absent, which you need to add a lot of code or variables to identify the null value is being set or it's just absent. So from this view, you can see the null values and keys will cause a lot of problem, and even risk the core value of concurrent HashMap, which is thread safety. So it's and also, if you support the null key or values, it's not get a lot of benefit. So it's an easy choice, just put the problem outside. So not allow the null key is a easy choice, and a lot of benefit could take. By disallowing null, concurrent HashMap ensures that any return null value always means the key is absent. So the code will be more easy to maintain and readable. And there is also a interesting result, that is this design this design result force the developers to be more precise and intentional in how they handle data, which is they need to define which result is the data is presence or absence. So I think is very elegant in this way of the design. And you might feel, I don't know if you guys have faced this kind of situation that your colleague or your leader or someone from the business team ask you to add some features, and you just keep add features or parameters to the API, so the system get more and more difficult to maintain, and the code get more and more difficult to read. I think this we can learn from this case is we need always focus on the purpose of this functionality is. It's what's this functionality designed for, which like the concurrent HashMap is designed for a high concurrency environment, so it main purpose is to make sure it's thread safe in multi-threaded environment, not to support any kind of date. So I think it's very impressive that when you review this kind of normal interview question and you say something that impressive and learning something new and useful for the future work. I'm looking forward to see you next time.